Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you had a fabulous weekend. Right, today we are going to make some faux vintage stamps, but of course they're fake. And we're gonna make some embellishment using my VIP kits for February. They've been emailed to my lovely VIP members last week. So they all received it, so I'm happy that I can do the video without spoiling everybody's surprise. So guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so happy Monday. I am filming this video today. It doesn't really happen a lot because I normally film my videos a few days in advance, but today is because I was working over the weekend. So happy Mondays and happy Mondays crafting from me. I got dentist appointment at 2 today, so I'm kind of like I wanted to get up, had a coffee, do some crafting, and then going to the dentist, come back and carry on crafting this afternoon. So I'm filming this video this morning. Very sunny day here in Sheffield. It's freezing cold, it's 2 degrees, but it's quite warm. So thank you for the sun to be out, because it makes a huge difference. So today, happy VIP kit for the month. So in the beginning, actually, towards the last day of the month, the 31st, I send my VIP kits to my VIP customers. So lovely ladies, there are 2 gents as well. Thank you guys. Get 2 kits every month if you join my VIP membership. So the February kits have 2, of course, it's 2 every month. One is a mini kit, it's 4 pages, and I have printed front and back because I'm going to do a project. So you've got 4 pages. This is one, and it's a combination of in fact it's called Madness Flora. It's a combination of Victorian embellishment with a floral background. It's kind of like framed. That's 2. Look at that little dog. So cute. There's another one there. There's 2 dogs in the corner. I love the contrast of the rich colour of the Victorian embellishment, the Victorian floral, and the contemporary like watercolour background. Then you've got page number 3. This page here has got some angels. They are plain musical instruments. And you've got some lovely floral. And then again, some watercolour background. And then page number 4, which is my favourite. I do like that because you probably won't be able to see on camera, but it's on a portrait. And you got this super cute super cute little boys. Look at that. It's so cute. And you got the really bright background. Okay, and then the second kit has of course more pages. It's a complete kit, and it's called Vintage Embellishment. So on here you got so different like cards. You can make ATC, you can make cards, you can make tags. So I gave you different sizes. That is my favorite. I love this as well, and that. So you've got 1 page there. You've got a second page with all labels, like all original vintage labels, and I cannot wait to show you what I made with those. Then you got page number 3. You've got different kind of like proper retro advertisements. Yeah, it's kind of like all different advertisement labels, but you can do so much with this. And I'll show you in just a minute what I made. Look at that. It's all different languages as well. This is like a proper magazine of newspaper advertisement. Then you got a page, few pages in black and white. I don't really know what you. Oh no, yeah, you can see. So I done in a way that I created like these silhouettes when you got boots, ovals, circles, squares, all different shapes that you guys can create as an. You can do dangles, you can do embellishment, you can do like little jewellery if you want. You can just so many things. That's another one where you got like bottles, little perfumes, again resized in a different shape. This is probably my favorite page when you have, yeah, I think if I do that you can see everything. So you've got ovals, you've got boots, circles, love, love, love. And then that is the last page. So this will nice if you do like some paper beads or charms. If you put some dangles in there, you can do paper clips embellishment. I might do that because you know I love paper clips embellishment. So that's the 2 kits that you get when you subscribe. You can subscribe anytime or the month. So if you join, for example, today, you get the February kit, and then you get 12 kits after that. You got March, April. You can't get the December kits or because they are past kits. So you get 12 months, 24 kits in total from the month that you join. Right, let me show you what I made. So first of all, because it's an embellishment kits actually, I created some faux stamps. So I don't know if it's probably better. Yeah, Tonya, just show you quickly one by one. Apologize, I've got ink on my hand. Like a proper vintage. I love that. Just be really quick. And it's the sort of things that when you start, it's so hard to stop, because I made this in what, 20 minutes, if that. So just fussy cut them, glue them on a paper, and then with the scissors, and I put some stamps, which I'll show you in just a second. And then some small ones. And the beauty of this is that you can make any sort of like sizes that you want. So yeah, so do another project with this. So yeah, so the starting point, I just glued them on some cardstock, and then I've got 2 different scissors. So one has got scallop like that, and one like that. So if, for example, you can clearly see the different effects that you get. So you get one that is more like an edge like that, and one is an edge like that. So it depends what sort of effect do you like most. So it's all up to you. I just want to take 2 seconds to say thank you to Olivia, Tracy, Christine C, Kathy, Christine B, and Michelle, who this lovely lady joined in January. So thank you so much, ladies, for joining me last month. Right, so what I did, I glued that paper in some cardstock, chopped it off, and then which one I used? I think I used this one. Yes. Then I got my distress ink, is the walnut stain, and then what I did, I simply aged and make it look like it's been used like that. I'm just gonna wait to dry a few seconds, and then I have used, where is it, this stamp here. It's like a postage stamp, and I've used the black suit distress ink. I have this for years and they're still going, because I thought because they're all the small sizes, once they finish, they dry, I get the bigger size, but they're still going. So, and it's up to you guys where do you want to stamp it, but I did a few. See, that's the main one, and then there's one there. There's one there. Okay, so that's what you made with what you make with stamps. Also, I made some cards, because you guys know I love card making. So this one says, "You are wonderful in every way," and there's layers of embossed paper, some red paper, some shiny. I've got some left. Just checking on my desk. I don't think. Oh yeah, I do. They are adhesive glossy paper, and I think it works. I love the red. I love the 3 shades of red, and of course it's all about her. So yeah, I just put some flowers, and I put some, it's still a bit wet, so the glue is drying. Yeah, so that's one, and that's the second, which is again is I did a gold, shiny gold paper, an embossed green, olive green paper, some blue and green, and then the picture. And then it says, sending many thanks for all you do. So let's zoom out a tiny bit so you can see. One is portrait, one is landscape. And then last but not least, I fussy cut them, and then I created a little collage. So I put all these images together. So this is another thing you can do. You can create like master boards, and from these you can create tags. So if you make this like an A4 on a 12 by 12, you can glue them all together, and they work because it's all the same. Let me just zoom out slightly more, because these pictures, this imagery, they're all the same style. So when you put it together, it works, it blends. And then I just draw it with a pen, just pretending there were just like some stitching, but it's just like a black pen. So that's like in the vintage card if you want to do a journal. But again, there could be a tag if you chop it. It's totally up to you. Okay, guys, that is it. I hope I gave you some ideas. And I love Victorian imagery, and also, as you guys know, I am obsessed with vintage, so I love them so much. And this is some ideas of different things that you can make with the kits, because it don't have to be used for junk journals all the time to make pages or pockets. You can make embellishments as well, and this kit has been designed specifically to create embellishment. So if you wish to get the kits, you just need to join my yearly membership. You only pay once, one time, and it's valid for 12 months. All the details are listed down below. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider a big thumbs up, because it really helps my channel. And if you're not already, a big subscribe, that would be much appreciated as well. Guys, I've done a video a while ago created some pouches using stamps. So if you're going to make these stamps, you can create like a masterboard, glue them all together, and the effect is actually quite nice and interesting. I will put the link here on the screen, so I suggest you go in and watch that if you have time. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.